if the product does not meet his expectations or if he is not satisfied, then the relationship will end. What are the different types of customers? So the different types of customers are, the first one is the loyal customer. CRM solutions also add value by business intelligence and data mining of the customer database, that is also known as the data warehousing. Hello everyone, I'm Purnima, faculty in the Department of Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Grade College, Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. I welcome you all to this session. In this session 6, we will be learning about the customer relationship management and marketing. So what is the scope of CRM in marketing? CRM leverages and amplifies customer base of an organization through efficacious and efficient marketing. So in fact, CRM has brought up new dimensions in the field of marketing by significantly improving the marketing functions and execution. Intuitive CRM associated marketing strategies like direct marketing, web marketing, email marketing, etc. have matured during the recent past. These marketing strategies are promising as compared to the traditional ways of marketing, as they help to deliver higher up performance and the developing business. So with the help of the CRM, we are able to develop new technologies in the field of marketing, like email marketing, we have the direct marketing, we have the web marketing, etc. They also help ameliorating the response rates in marketing campaigns, cut cost on promotions due to low asset values, and provide higher scrutiny on organizational investments. Then, the various aspects of CRM-oriented marketing are discussed below. The first one is the web marketing. So with the growing popularity of the web, the customers are tending towards web marketing or web shopping. It helps both customers and suppliers to transact in a real-time environment irrespective of their locations. Some of the major advantages of web marketing. So we all know that nowadays most of the business are transacted through the online shopping. So this is one of the perfect example for online shopping. It is relatively very inexpensive as it reduces the cost for physically reaching to the target customers for interaction. Suppliers can reach to more number of customers in lesser amount of time. Then, the online marketing campaigns can be easily tracked, traced, calculated, and tested. So, the selection process of any product or brand is simplified due to the proven online research and analysis techniques. So, the online marketing campaigns are more promotional as compared to the manual campaigns. Then, next we have the email marketing. So, email marketing has turned out to be more efficient and inexpensive as compared to the mail or the phone-based marketing strategies. So, it is a direct marketing which is data-driven and leads to more accurate customer response and effective fulfillment of the customer needs. So, more attractive features include newsletters, sending of e-coupons, e-cards, provisions of saving events into calendars, etc. Then, the next is the analyzing the customer's buying behavior online. It provides a platform to analyze the customer's buying behavior online. This interactive strategy provides great accuracy with high speed, which includes profiling services, furnishing elaborated bits of information regarding customers' purchasing habits or behavior. So, individualized analysis of this behavior also helps to identify to which product or brand the customers are more tended. Then, for example, an online selling website can analyze the customer's buying behavior by installing an in-house service with the help of a full-fledged CRM that checks what all products are being purchased by a particular customer and under which specific group they fall. So we can easily track the customer. This is achieved by personalized analyzing the buying history of the customers in the past, which predicts the future business with those customers also. So this accomplishes to build a long-term relationship with customers by properly canvassing customers' needs and resulting in customer satisfaction. Analyzing this particular buying behavior of the customers online also helps to fix or change of marketing techniques or strategies to mold the system according to the future perspective. Then next one is forecasting future marketing strategies. Down the line, marketing strategies keeps on changing according to the emotional change of the customers. Forecasting techniques helps to understand this change through regression and statistical analysis of customer behavior online. There are some complex but more accurate analysis techniques provided by the CRM, which are proved to be one of the best marketing strategies. So, with the help of regression and statistical analysis, we will be able to understand the emotional behavior of the customer, and we can cater to that through our CRM. This innovative approach is carried out with greater risk, but it is believed to outturn astonishing rewards, but it gives very good rewards. Then building business impact models. So what is this business impact models? It is important for an organization to have a check on the marketing performance regularly so that the techniques never deteriorate and always match to yield the greater results. So the CRM oriented models help in delivering accurate measurement of marketing performance throughout the organization and do better every time. This synergistic marketing strategies make a part of CRM system to develop high-end marketing business. So with the help of the CRM, we are able to develop a high-end marketing business, and it is very important for an organization to incorporate them by carefully anticipating change, testing their performance, and assembling the best possible combination of these strategies to meet the needs of the customer and maximize its marketing growth. Then, next, we have the customer relationship and the HR. So, what is this HR? Human resources are those constituents of an organization that take care of the human facets and need of all the employees within the organization. What are the key functions of the HR? The key functions are employee recruitment and selection, compensation calculation and reward program management, in-house training for all employees according to the skill sets, performance calculation and managing employee behavior. Then we also have portfolio management and area location management, transformation and change management, structuring hierarchy of the employees, employee relationship management, hiring campaign management, profile management, payment compensation, leave management. Then we also have meetings and certifications, online alerts. Then export-import facility. An organization is always benefited by employee relationship management if it is implementing it with CRM strategies with clear rules and the guidelines. So for an organization, an upright and healthy relationship with the employees always acts as a reciprocal commutation and leads to betterment of the both. So it is better to have a harmonious relationship with the employees and the management. Then the benefits, challenges and future of CRM software to the business. So by implementing a CRM software, business can integrate the routine and administrative tasks associated with cold calling, customer management, pre-sales as well as after-sales follow up by ensuring that they take care of all these aspects. So the CRM software takes care of all these aspects in the sales. Then businesses can benefit from the linking of sales and marketing activities, which would considerably reduce the amount of manual labor, manual processes needed otherwise. Then next one is businesses can invest in an ERP or enterprise resource planning system, which when integrated with the CRM software can lead to synergies and efficiencies from various disparate organizational processes that are now linked together. CRM solutions also add value by business intelligence and data mining of the customer database, that is also known as the data warehousing. So we can have the customer data warehouse. All these are the usual benefits of implementing a CRM solution. There are some challenges with CRM implementations, as we shall discuss subsequently. Then, what are the challenges in CRM implementation? The first one is lack of coordination between the businesses and the vendors that usually result in requirements being not met because the vendors did not understand the requirements properly and the businesses were pressurizing the vendors for faster implementation and quicker result. So there is no proper understanding between the vendor and the businessman. So if they misinterpret the order, then that may result in a damaged relationship. The users need to be trained properly, and this is an aspect that does not receive the attention it deserves. It is because of the fact that unless the users are trained in using the CRM software, there are likely to be mismatches between the user expectations and the concluding thoughts. Then finally, the benefits, challenges and the future of CRM that were discussed in the article point to the fact that in future, the success in implementing CRM solutions would depend on the extent of the top leadership vision and commitment, as the realization of the requirements and the translation actionable implementation would need the support of all the stakeholders. So these are the challenges of the CRM. Now let us understand the customer relationship. In CRM, the alphabet R means relationship, but there is always an ambiguity to understand the actual meaning of this relationship. What is the actual meaning of the relationship here? The relationship between the supplier and the customer is not a personal relationship or a one-time transaction relationship. For example, buying a refrigerator from a consumer's outlet would not be called as a relationship. Now, the relationship with customers can change from time to time because it is evolved under distinguished situations. Following are the stages from where the relationship with the customers can evolve. So what are the various stages in evolving the customer relationship here? The first one is exploration. Exploration is the process when the customer investigates or tests the supplier's capability and performance or cross-verifies the products or the brand's usefulness. So when the customer is trying to test the product, so that will be the exploration part. So if the test results fail to satisfy the customer's demands, the relationship comes to an end drastically. So if the product does not meet his expectations or if he is not satisfied, then the relationship will end. Awareness is the process when the customer understands the motivational values of the supplier or the product he sells. Then next one is the expansion. It is the process when the supplier wins customers' faith and customers falls under huge interdependence of the supplier. So this is a time when there are more chances of business with that particular customer and expanded business. Next one is commitment. Commitment is the powerful stage when suppliers learn to adapting business rules and go to excel. Then the last stage is the dissolution. It is the stage where the customer requirement suddenly changes and he looks for better perspectives, this sudden change is the end of the relationship. So these are the 4 stages in the evolving the customer relationship. Then relationship can come to an end due to many reasons, like customer is not satisfied with the services of the supplier, or customer diverges to other better brands and products. Suppliers can also prefer to break relationship due to customer failing to be a part of the increased sales volume when the suppliers are entangled with the fraud cases. Then broadly, there can be 2 distinguished attributes for a relationship to be developed between a supplier and the customer. So the first one is trust. So what is trust? Trust means confidence and security in any relationship and can be treated as the biggest investment in building long-term relationships. So it is trust. With the help of trust, we can be able to build a long-term relationship. It is developed between 2 parties when they experience flawless and satisfied motives between each other. As a result of knowing more about each other, all the doubts and risks are minimized and leads to inevitably smooth businesses. Lack of trust, on the other hand, weakens the relationship foundation and chances of uncertainty and conflicts increases. Then the second important aspect of relationship is commitment. Commitment can be attained only when there is mutual trust and 2 parties share each other's values. So in a committed relationship, both suppliers and customers strive to uphold the relationship and never want to exceed, which in turn results in building the relationship stronger and sharper. So there is in fact a huge cost which is incurred in switching from committed relationships of one supplier and build new relationship with other suppliers from a scratch. Then relationship is always mutual or reciprocal. So it is important for both customers and suppliers to stick to a common guideline to attain better relationship among each other. There is lot of involvement of cost and time in striving develop relationships between the parties, but the outcome is always inevitable. Then what are the different types of customers? So the different types of customers are, the first one is the loyal customer. Now, who is a loyal customer? These types of customers are less in number but promote more sales and profit as compared to other customers, as these are the ones which are completely satisfied. So they are completely satisfied, such they are the loyal customers. So they want individual attention and demands polite and respectful responses from supplier. They are the ones who will act as advocate for your organization. So a satisfied customer is a brand ambassador to the organization. Then next we have the discount customers. Discount customers are also frequent visitors, but they are only a part of the business when offered with discounts on regular products and brands, or they buy only low cost products. Then so we have the different types of customers here. We have the loyal customer, discounted customer, impulsive customer, need-based customer, and wandering customer. So we can see that there is a triangle here. So here we have many of them are wandering customer, need-based, impulsive. So it goes like this. So the loyal customers will be very few in number. So these are the likely to purchase and these are not likely to purchase. Then third one is the impulsive customer. So these customers are difficult to convince as they want to do business in urge or caprice. They don't have any specific item in the product list, but the urge to find what they find good and productive at that point of time. So these customers, they don't know what they want to buy, but they want to make a purchase. If impulsive customers are treated accordingly, then there is a high probability that they could be responsible for high percentage of selling. So if you can just treat them very well and speak to them, you can be able to get very good sales from these customers. Then next we have the need-based customers. They are product specific and only tend to buy items only to which they are habituated or they have a specific need for them. These customers should be handled positively by showing them ways and reasons to switch to other similar products and brands and initiating them to buy these. These customers could be possibly be lost if not tackled efficiently with positive interaction. Then the last one is the wandering customers. They are the least profitable customers as sometimes they themselves are not sure what to buy. So they are normally new in the industry and most of the time visit suppliers only for confirming their needs on the products. So they investigate features of most prominent products in the market but do not buy any of them or show least interest in buying. To grab such customers, they should be properly informed about the various positive features of the product so they develop a sense of interest. Then, what are the trends of a CRM? The customer relationship management is repeatedly showing a greater performance by increasing the sales volume. Now, most of the businesses have come to understand that only with the help of CRM we are able to have a increase in the sales volume. Customer needs instant solution to his questions from the trustable source. Their approach has completely changed from waiting for solution or reply to instant solutions for query. Nowadays, it is not enough if a call center agent can just attend the calls. So the customer expects more from even a call center also. So the inbound calls have come down. The call center agents' duties are increasing in such a way that they have to solve the problems through several customer channels. People are made available with latest technologies and gadgets. The use of mobile and social platforms has drastically increased. The customers are taking up video calls or video chats. They look for live demos and feedbacks. The various trends are classified. So with this, we come to the end of this session. Hope you have all followed it. Thank you.